Hi everyone, so today I am presenting you the Year of the Rabbit edition. Victorinox over the years made a collection of Year of the um, Chinese zodiac signs, and this year is the Year of the Rabbit. So I'm going to do a little unboxing, and also I'm going to present you all the other years that has been made over the time. I guess it was like since 2017 that they have created this collection, and their brand, they are incredibly well designed and packaged. So here we go. 2023 is going to be the year of the rabbit, following the Chinese zodiac signs. And as you may know, Victorinox has been doing the zodiac Chinese signs for quite a while now. I'm not sure if it was since 2017 or 2018. Well, I've got the 2018 edition that I will show you afterwards. But well, yes, they are doing all the zodiac signs. And I'm proud to show you today the Year of the Rabbit. So let's open it. It comes in a very well-designed box. On the side, you've got Year of the Rabbit 2023 with a golden ribbon. And it's not like a cardboard one, it's really a hefty box, I don't know how to say that. A beautiful box with every year the design, each sign's design. And well, I'm going to show you all the... You've got every time the Chinese sign. And voila, for the box. Now I'm sure you're waiting for me to open this. And here we go. It comes with a little explanation of what the sign represents in the Chinese culture, and it's written both in English on this side and on the other side in Chinese, of course. What's interesting is that the design is cut, and it can be seen on both sides and still has the same shape. So if you want to read it, you can press pause. Voila. And here's the knife. These knives are always hunters. They all have little differences that I'm going to show you afterwards, but for this year, I'm going to show you this one first. And so there's the sign of the rabbit. And on the other side, the red classic Victorinox. This year they chose to use a red tiny screwdriver and some red toothpick and tweezers. It has all the options of the huntsman, and the design is really nice. We can have a great look. And well, here are all the options of the huntsman. Maybe should take it from this side. So you've got the hook, the rimmer punch, the corkscrew, scissors, a small blade, can opener, bottle opener, the saw, and the main blade. And yeah, it's my favorite from Victorinox, the Huntsman, really, because it's got all the necessary options. Also, it is a bestseller. And so here we go, voila. And now that I've shown you all the options, I'm gonna show you a bit of my year of the collection. So last year was the year of the tiger. Gonna put them all in a line. We had in 2021 it was the year of the ox, then 2020 year of the rat, need to place them beautifully, and my year is the year of the pig, 2019 year of the pig, 2018 year of the dog. Oh, might recenter them. And the last one I've got, I mean the first one I got was the year of the rooster. So the first one is made a little bit upside down, following the other ones. And well, yeah, to me, a huntsman is supposed to be taken from this side, so I don't quite get why they printed it on upside down. I don't know, for me it's upside down, but maybe it's not really upside down. But you know, for me the huntsman goes on this side, not this side. But well, maybe if you missed it, here is the year of the rooster, then year of the dog. I really like the year of the dog edition, the printing. And the dog breed is the Shiba Inu, a Japanese dog breed, really popular on TikTok. Then, year of the pig. I thought it was really cute and loved it because I'm from the year of the pig. Year of the rat. I think the year of the rat, then they just settled for some similar design since 2020. To me, those are quite different. They don't have the same designs. And since then, they finally decided to have like a branding over those. And this is quite nice. It looks like a painting. Like a Chinese ink painting, you know, that dark ink, black ink, I don't know how to call that. In French it's encre de Chine. Then year of the ox. And from 2022 they chose to switch for the red toothpick and tweezers, and also the red V-Red small tool. And so voila for all the year of the collection. And yes, voila. So as you can see, I also kept all the boxes because they are really nice boxes. They used to make like more squarish boxes in a time. I think this one is the year of the pig. And then they switched in 2020. Yeah, was it 20? Yeah, it was 20. They switched for a more rectangular shaped box in 2020. Then well, that is all. Maybe I'm going to show you real quick, all the boxes in order. So first there was the year of the rooster, really fast. Year of the dog, year of the pig, I'm not fast enough, year of the rat, then ox, then tiger, and finally 2023, year of the rabbit. So voila, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Bye bye.